Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm super excited because my guest design team box finally arrived today. Now, I am a guest designer for Lisa at the Happy Crafter Shop for the month of March. She does have another guest designer as well as her usual design team members, who I believe are Poochie from Poochie Tats and Leanna from It's a Deal. But yeah, my box got hung up in the mail system and it was supposed to be here last Friday, but unfortunately it didn't arrive until today. And I know the release became live at midnight on March 1st, and there are a number of items that are already sold out. And I want to thank those of you who already used my coupon code, and it is still good during this month, so feel free to check out what else Lisa has available there and use that code to save 10% off of your order. So without further ado, let's see what's inside this box. And I always love receiving boxes from Lisa, whether they are guest design team boxes or their orders that I got, because it always reminds me of getting a box of candy. So you'll see she's got this beautiful paper here and always closes it up with a beautiful sticker. And there's usually no saving the paper or the sticker, so I'm just going to rip the bandage and take that off. And you will see here I have a discount code. It's worth 10% off all orders, and it's Enis10. So don't forget, if you shop, please use my code, because that lets Lisa know people are watching my videos and it is worth her while to have me guest design for her from time to time. So that's that. And also here is her social media and shop information. She's on Instagram at Happy Crafter Shop, and that's her business Instagram account, and her personal, where she shares all of her fun projects that she makes herself as well as some other things, is happycrafter_Lisa. And of course she has her YouTube channel, Happy Crafter, on YouTube. Don't forget to shop happycraftershop.com and check out all the goodies she has there. So I'm going to set that aside and we're going to dig into the box. Yay, yay, yay. Always fun and exciting. So first of all, she did send me a couple of these totally adorable ready-to-bead dingles. And this one is the cute little chickie there with the birthday cake. Look how adorable that is. So cute. And then this gorgeous shamrock rainbow. And I'm super happy to get this because I have actually been beading up some beads, hoping that I would get one of these St. Patrick's Day beadable dangles, because I have a project I want to use those beads with. So that's going to be exciting. And she also sent me this really cute chick in an envelope with the spring flowers. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't wait to use those. And look at all the goodies in the box here. So fun. Always love getting boxes from Lisa. So first of all, we do have these really pretty pink and green marbled beads, and these look like they're probably about maybe a 10 or a 12. I'm not really sure, but let me get this open. Give me a second and we will take a peek at these. And they actually feel like they might be glass. I'm not sure, but look at that. How pretty. Those will go great on the dangle that I'm planning to make. And then we have these. We've got pink, blue, and purple iridescent beads. And these also look like they're about the same size, so probably 10 or 12 millimeter. Look how pretty those are. Love, love, love. Ooh, so exciting. And then we have another pack of the iridescent beads, and these are pink and green. So let's check those out. Oh, looks like I have a little piece of sequin in there from something else. Oh, you just never know. Never know. Look at how pretty these green and pink ones are. So pretty. All right, what else do we have in here? We have some beautiful floral cabochons. Let me get that open. And I've heard some of the other ladies say that these kind of look like shamrocks, and they actually do look like shamrocks. But they have the centers like a tropical flower, and I can't think of the name of it off the top of my head. But look at how cute that is. Very cute. And it looks like you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in a pack. So that's really nice. And then, oh, these are adorable. Oh my gosh. These cute little flat back bunny cabochons. Give you a close-up of those. Very adorable. And this one's kind of like a pinky yellow, and then we've got this blue one here, and they're iridescent, so they kind of reflect other colors. These are cute, and it looks like they're about almost an inch tall. And let's see, we get 2, 4, 6, oh, let's see here. We got 8, 4 of each color. Really, really cute. All right, and here comes Mr. Kiki. So let me swish him aside. Come on, little one. Sorry about that, everybody. And, oh, these are cute. She's had these before. They are adorable. Look at these. We've got pink and purple. They're like a frosted flower with a solid color pink and purple center. Very, very cute. Get quite a few in the pack there. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm knocking stuff every which way. Okay. I really, really am excited to finally get this package. I was very much looking forward to it. So then here we have some little frosted beads, and these kind of remind me of jelly beans. And you get all kinds of different colors there. We've got pink, purple, red, green, orange, yellow, and some blues. So those are cute, and like I said, they remind me of little jelly beans. So those are adorable. And we've got these, and I believe she had, I think it was last year sometime, these striped beads, but they were heart-shaped, but these ones kind of look like Easter eggs. So cute. And once again, you get a variety of colors. We've got green, this yellowish orange here. This one looks like an actual yellow. We've got pink, dark pink, light pink, red, purple, and some blues in there. Beautiful, beautiful. Lisa, you did a great job choosing your products for this release. I can understand why so many items are already sold out. And then we've got these, and these look like they're probably about a 6mm, and they are purple, and they almost look like quartz. Purple and like a white clouded color. They're kind of crackled inside, and they also have little gold flecks on them. So trying to give you a close-up of that there. Really, really pretty. Love those. And there's another pack of a similar style here. Wow, this is a big release. And these are pink, and then they've got a little bit of green on them, also with that crackled look and the gold. See if we can pick that up here. See that there? You got some green, almost looks like a bluish green, plus the pink and the gold in there. Beautiful. Oh, so many fun things, so many fun things. Guys, if you haven't checked out Lisa's shop for this release or any previous releases, you're really missing out. And look at these gorgeous beads here. These kind of remind me of Pandora spacer beads. Only if you look really closely at them, you'll see they have like a little floral design on them. Very pretty. And you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Looks like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And there's purple, pink, a darker pink, and this pretty blue. So those are gorgeous. Can't wait to start working with those. Oh, wow. Then we've got these cute beads. Look out, Kiki, you're going to have to move. Look at these. Gorgeous, faceted, kind of like an egg shape. Really, really pretty. So that comes in pink and this kind of like a sea foam or a teal green. They also come in this pretty purple, gorgeous, gorgeous, this pretty yellow. So you get 4 different colors of those. So those are pretty awesome. And one more pack of beads here. Let's get this open. These are adorable. Look at the pretty pastels. These look like they're probably about a 6mm. You've got white, yellow, a light pink, a medium pink in there. So pretty. So pretty. And, oh, these are so cute too. So cute. This whole release is cute. I know I've probably said it 50 times already, but look at these adorable little cabochons. They're little tiny bunny cabochons, and they have glitter in them, holographic, and looks like they have little wings on them. So cute. And let's see, you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10 in a pack. Those, oh, look at the back sides. And the backs are all glittery. Absolutely gorgeous. So adorable. And then we've got a couple more packs of cabochons here. We've got these adorable little bunnies. Look at those. So cute. These are going to be perfect with a lot of Easter collections, and you get 3, 6, 9. You get 10 in a pack of those. And the last pack of cabochons, and she has had, I kind of think she's had these in her shop before as well, but maybe in different colors. We've got pink and these lavender colored bunny flatback cabochons, and the lavender ones have a little yellow bow and the pink ones have a little blue bow. So cute. You get 8 of those, 4 of each color. And then she has a few dies in this release here. Oh wow, can't wait to use this. Look at this gorgeous die set. So this one she's calling the Doily Set 2025, and it comes in 2 different sizes here. You've got your base piece and a layering piece that's got these cutout circles on it. Then you've got a center cutout piece as well as another layering piece, and that is so pretty. Wow, lots of fun layering to be used with those, and I can see these using them as bag toppers. So cute. Can't wait to try that out. And then she has this beautiful bow set 2025, and it looks like you get 3 sizes here. You've got the daddy and the mama and the little baby here, and you've got all of your layering pieces. And this is great because the layering pieces have the beautiful stitching on them. And also you get the little centers for your bows as well. So that's going to be super fun to play with. And the last spectacular goodie in this release is her bow bag topper set 2025, and these are going to be awesome. So you've got this base, well, once again, you've got the daddy, the baby, and the mama. These are the base pieces that you will cut out and then fold over, and then you've got your layering pieces here with the little centers for the bows. Very pretty. Wow. And you know what? And these look like they coordinate. I wonder if the sizes match. I'm going to have to check that out when I start cutting these out. But this is a gorgeous die set. Can't wait to try that out. So yeah, that's what I got in my design team package. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I did get my package late. Lisa sent it out in plenty of time to get to me, but you know what the postal service is like these days. Everything is running behind, or it gets held up somewhere. I know when I had my challenge in February and January, I had a package that was totally lost, and then it finally showed up like weeks later. And that's kind of what happened with this, only it didn't take so long. So yeah, that's the release from the Happy Crafter Shop. Absolutely gorgeous dies. I do not know if these are still available, but if they're not, she has plenty of other dies from her previous releases available, because I know she restocked some. And then all of these gorgeous beads, cabochons, and the super cute beadable dangles. And this one I will be using right away, so watch for a project share on that in the coming days. So thanks a lot, everybody, for stopping by, for checking out this reveal of the March release for the Happy Crafter Shop, and be sure to look out for my upcoming projects. I also want to thank everybody who's already shopped Happy Crafter Shop and supported Lisa in her small business, and for using my coupon code. And don't forget, once again, it is Enis10 for 10% off your order. Be sure to use the code. I would super duper appreciate it, just so that Lisa knows that you guys are following along with what I'm doing and that it's worth her while to send me some more guest design packages. So that's what I've got for you today. Thanks so much for spending some time with me, and I'll catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.